Hello viewers, hope you are well and good. Today we are going to introduce the insert tape and we will be covering this insert tape in a single video. I'm pretty much sure you will be having my company for learning this. So we are going to start from the cover page, that is pages, tables, illustrations, reuse files. We have learned from the home also reuse files, add-ins, media, links, comments, header, footers, text and symbols. So first we start from the cover page. Is you want to add the cover page in the Word documents. When a student want to make his assignment or complete his assignment, after completion his assignment he will be going for the introductory page, the cover page, for where he can put his name and the subject name and so on. Here we can go from the corner, top corner. From here we can see insert. Under the insert section we will be going for the cover page. Here is the cover page. You can see there are different types of cover page you can add from here. We will be adding one cover page over here, and I will make you sure that how we can edit this. From other cover page we can see more cover page from the here, from right over here, and after giving the cover page we can remove also. So let's see, first of all we add one cover page. This is the most favorite cover page for me. So for example, here is a student or university student. Suppose we are taking mathematics as a assignment. Okay, mathematics, and we can say subtitle, this is assignment 1, and you can change dates and so on. And here you can insert text box for other text, for your name and so on. Name, we can say I am writing student 1, suppose is the name, and ID and so on. ID, let's put ID is 001223. Okay, so we can add like this. Now we want to add some colors and fonts from this. Here after insert, when we will be clicking on the box, here appears the text box. We can manage, edit and format text box. If you want to change the color or the borderline of the text box, we will have multiple options. Which one you like the best, you can keep. Okay, and there are other options as well. You can draw text box by yourself. Okay, and you can change the direction of the text, and you can also generate the link in it, but we are not generating it right now. So let's go here and collapse ribbon. Okay, now we will be going here for the home tab. Let me check why it happens. Link empty box to it. Okay, cannot be because it's neither already the text box contain your linking. Okay, no problem. We will be going for home and press this to be the normal. Okay, now after that we will be having the we have gone through the cover page, and if you want to delete the cover page, you can go from the cover page and remove the cover page. The cover page will disappear. Other than this, second option is blank page. First, suppose I have kept here the text. You want to add one blank page over here after the second page. You can press the blank page, your blank page will automatically be added over there. And suppose you are writing some paragraphs and you want your next paragraph to come over the next page, then you have the best option for this. Here is the third option, that is page break. You will insert the page break and that will lead your paragraph to the next page. Here it is. Okay, you can revert it through Ctrl Z. Other than this, we will be moving toward the table. If you want to add the table, for example, you are having some assignment and you want to add your friends name list in the Word file, then you need table. So you can draw a table by yourself or you can add directly from here. If for example, if you want to add your total subjects and their marks, then you have to add two columns. Okay, if you want to keep the serial number, you want to add the third column, you can add easily. How many subjects do you have? Let's suppose you have 5 subjects, you can add 5 over here. And for it you can change like it for the serial number, that is your S number, S dot number, that's your serial number. One is math and second is English, oh sorry, that is serial number. And in this we will be writing subject, and in this marks will be located. Suppose this is your English marks and these are for your maths, these are yours for your science subject and for your GK, okay, general knowledge. So we will be putting serial number like this, 1 2 3 4. You have subjects and you want to add marks, you got 80 out of 100, 90, 98, 99, 88. You can be, if you want to add some other tables, you can insert from here. How many do you want? For example, you want 2 by 2, then you can add from here. And after that you will be going for the table design. When we will be inserting the table, then you will have a table design. Okay, for the table design we will be having the surface like this. We will have a new tab, that is table design and their layout. We will have two new tabs that will be using for the table design. For that you can go for the more table styles. Okay, here you can find the color and the font and the format for the table. Here is the base color you can choose from over here. Other than this, if you want to have more modifications for the table, you can go from the here and which color do you want, you can change, and the size of the borders and internal border. If you want to remove border or add from which side, and the color of the border, sale, everything you can edit from here. And you can have the shading for the table. You have to go from here like a jug type symbol. Okay, and if you want to add header or total row, then you can add from here too. And these are all the border formats. And if you want to remove your table, you can go from here and mark it as a delete, and right click here and delete the table. You can delete it easily. Other than this, you can also convert your text into table. Okay, let's Let me help you. For example, you have this text you want to change in the table, then you will be going in the table, and here you can convert to the table. Like now it requires which type do you want when you put your text into table, with the commas, tabs, other, or paragraphs. For example, you want your each word to be in the new table cell, so you just press over here other and delete it and mark here as space. Then you will have your all the words in the table like this. Okay, and other than this there are more options for the quick tables. You can go from here and find the best table what you want over here, and you will love these formats for your table content. Now we will be going, if you want to add the picture from the internet, then let's suppose you want to add new picture. Here are some options for you. You can choose the picture from your device, or you can select from the stock or online picture. For example, do you want to add some stock? Here you will find the stocks for this. So let's see, we are taking one of the most beautiful picture over there. I love the most nature, that's why I am selecting it, and it will take a few seconds for downloading. If your internet is too fast, then it will not be taking too much time. If your internet is not too good like mine, you will have some time to wait for it. Now let's move. After inserting picture, you will be facing some troubles. You cannot move the picture over and there in the Microsoft Word. For it, you will have options like this square. You know that square is the layout options for the picture. So you have to move in which direction you want to keep it in square format or tight through the top, bottom, and the behind the text or in front of the text. Let's suppose we are putting in front of the text. You have options, you can move with the text or you can fix the position of the picture over there in the Microsoft Office. So let's see, I have inserted the in front of the text, because if I keep here the text, then my picture will be in front of the text. And suppose here I am writing some text, uh, if I have, okay, and then my picture will be in front of the text like this. But if I put it behind the text, then it will be like this. My picture is behind the text and I cannot see. Let me control C. For revert we can mark control C. I'm just putting here text. Now it will be easy for you to understand each and everything. Okay, now you can see the text through the picture, and we will be having troubles, that's why I'm keeping like this. And if we mark it in this square, let's mark it in the square. Where is the square? Like this. Then wherever we move the picture, the text will be over here and there. Okay, so when we will be inserting the picture, we will have a new option, that is picture format picture. Okay, format picture, we will be having some modifications or editing for the picture. Let's find out all the. If you want to remove the background of the picture, you can select the picture like in many direction, mark the area whatever you want. Okay, you want to keep this area, you can put. The shaded area will be removed automatically, and you will have the other. You can mark area like this, whichever you want to remove. And when you will discard all the changes, you will have all these things. And if you want to remove it like this, We will keep all changes and our picture's background will be removed automatically. Now we are going to revert all the content, and after that you can download or insert the picture online from here, this option. After that, if you want to add some symbols, or we can say shapes in the picture or Microsoft Word. For example, you have you have to draw a arrow in the Microsoft Word. Then how will you be going for that? We will have the shapes options under the insert tab. That is the shape option. We will be going here. You can put a square, egg format, or arrow like here. Okay, after that you have multiple options how you will be changing the color of the picture and layout and the shape outline. You can bold from here, and the length and the color, all these things will be going from here. Other than this icon we have taken from insert. That is the new option in the Microsoft Office 365. Because I'm using 365, that's why this is the new options. This is like stock icons we were using in the image section. You will have from image here and icon cutout people, where you can have the people with their pictures having removed background, like we are taking this lady picture and keeping over there. It will take a few moments for the download, just seconds. It depends upon the internet speed. If you have good internet connection, it will be downloaded easily and fastly. Let's wait for it just a few moments, and until it downloads, yeah, here is it. We can have from the layout options and change it from here, and we can keep her in a beautiful manner so that she could not mind. Oh, nice picture, really. Now we will be moving toward the smart chart. I was thinking we will have to complete this all the content of the insert in a single video, but I think it's too bit. Let's look at the smart art. It is the basic smart art you can add for your assignment target, or you can enlist. For example, you want to list your project numbers or something in it, you can have this smart art, a good art for you. You can put over there your bullet names and main things. For example, if you want to add some pictures in the smart art, you can have listing process and you can have pictures in them. Here you can put your pictures as well. Here, from here, which option do you like the best? Will be for you to go to choose the picture. We are choosing the stock picture from here. It takes too much time for us to download. That's why we are taking just icon. Okay, I'm taking this icon, okay, and insert it. It will take a few there. You can see here, and here you can put your names and so on. For that, we will have charts for your assignments, bar chart, pie chart, area, and all these things, maps, stocks, bar. And we are not adding it because you can also have screenshots. I have taken the previous screenshot for it. Let me show if they are not my personal use. Okay, so from here you can have screenshots, whatever screenshot you have taken currently that are on your clipboard will be over there. Now second option for this is we have second option for to reuse Files, reuse files is the similar options we have used in the last video. From you can take the file from this statistics and like this abstract like aptitude test and book and whatever you want to add you can add from here. Okay, now let's see, we are going for the other option in the insert. Yeah, here are add-ins, you can add from the links over here. We are not adding it because I have already added the Wikipedia in it. If you will be adding something like the text, you will have a prompt access of this website over here in the add-ins options. Other than this, I have some problem with the online video. I don't know why it's like this, but we will have a link. We can add links, our documents as in links from here, captures to Adobe. Do you want to keep your as a link, you can add like understand. And you can add the bookmark for the location or name. For example, we are adding name like bookmark1 bm1. Okay, and now we have to add it because why we are not adding, let me just a minute. We are adding location name and over here. After that our bookmark will be there. When will we open and click the bookmark, our page will open over there. Let me remove it. And this is the cross reference, not necessary to understand right now. And for example, your instructor has gone through your assignment and he has suggested some comments for you on the picture that he want to make the border for the picture. He has commented over there, then he can comment or you can comment over here, right? This, for example, you are studying that your picture is too good and really I love it. Okay, we will be inserting the comment in it. After this we will he can send the documents to you and you can see the comment, what are the real comment. And the comments from your instructor are your picture is too good and really I love it. Sorry, I can edit it. It's love, not loss. Okay, and after that we will be having the page number and the text box, and this is text solution and symbols. For example, you want to add the page number or you want to add some logo from your for your company or school, you can add from the insert, that is into footer. You can add a space from the page number. Here you want to add your school name, that is the school name. Okay, the school name I have put in. Then this school name will be for each page. Okay, here you can find on the each page. Same as if that is footer, you can add your page number and which page number. For example, you want to add here whatever you want A, and here you want to add the page number, that is 1, and here you want to add some symbol you like the most. For example, your university name, then you add it here uni. Okay, and after that you will have on the each page over here the same. Other than this, you will have page number different in what type. You want to keep the page number on the top, but in the right side, middle or left, or on which X bar. Same as it for the bottom. You want to keep your page number on the bottom of the page, that is right, left or center. And the current position of your page, you want to customize it, you can format from it and you can remove the page number from over here. Other than this, as I have mentioned in the earlier, that you can add a text box. For example, here you want to write something in a text box, you can insert text box over here from the insert side, and in the text you will have different types of text box. If you want to add simple text box, then first one is the simple one, and then others are the some quotes and the other side part. You can add, like I am adding some simple. For example, here I am writing I am good I am good at teaching. Okay, I am good at teaching. Over here I have written sentence. Okay, and now I want to add some editing. I have mentioned you earlier, you can add the format how you want to keep your box to be designed, like over here. And here you can keep the position or shadow of your text box. Here you can change the color and so on. I have gone through this already. Other than this, here you will have the quick explore. We don't need it right now. Or other than this, if you want to add some text, you can have from here over here object and text from files. You can, it will move toward or guide toward your PC location. So in insert, the last option is symbols. These are symbols and equations. You will be finding the equations over from here for your mathematical tools. When you will be clicking over the equation options, you will having like this toolbar, and in this you will have written uh, equations for you. You can add easily over here and edit it, and you will have link equations as well, whatever you want to type in your hand or like this. Understand? For example, you cannot edit, you can erase from here, and for example you want to write x square. Oh sorry, that's r, it became like r, but I am trying to make it x square. You can write over here. So just a moment, that is x. Oh no, why it's not understanding my language, I don't know why. Let's make it like this, x. That's x square. You can write over here plus y 1 minus, this is y1 not yt. You can write over here y1 minus p naught. So you can put your equations over here, right in this direction, whatever you want. After clicking the equations, you will be having the options. You can add plus minus symbols over here and parentheses, and you can also have the squares on all the mathematical material over there. These are function, script, radical, integer, integral, and brackets, and so on. After that, the last one option for this is, that was the equation one, and equation and symbol. So we have learned it in a quick way. We will be having the complete video on each of these fonts and the complete instructions for it. So that was the good overview of the insert option. Thanks, hope you understand how